come and see. You feel come and see. Cryptocurrency, come and see. DeFi bully, NASA Binkabi. Subscribe to me just bingo. In a crypto, brand new money as my wake up. Hit the bell, get alerted with the info. Like, comment, subscribe. What's up, people? It's your boy NASA Binkabi, aka DeFi bully. I'm back with another banger. Now, my voice a little bit gone. It's been a crazy day and it's kind of late right now, but it's never too late for these gains. So let's get to it. This one right here is StableFuel. It's brought to you by the same team that ArtemisX. If y'all remember that, it's a good team. Remember I did a video on it. Like, they had a crazy website, one of the best ones I've seen in DeFi still. But yeah, so we're going to dive into their new miner, StableFuel, and how is it different and how is it going to sustain. But before I get into all of that, please remember to hit that subscribe button if you're not subscribed. Hit that notification bell because it's notification bell NASA. And hit that like button because I'm bringing that content. And after you do that, marry the video. You know the vibes. Let's get to it. So this one is called StableFuel. Now, StableFuel is brought to you by ArtemisX team and their ecosystem, and pretty much it pays out 8% a day. I'm gonna go through the things right here. It rewards up to 8% a day in BUSD, up to 2,920% yearly. There's 8% referral bonuses on this, so if you bring people on, my link will be down below. You could have somebody use your link and you could gain from that. There's a 5% tax on buys and sells. And now, what makes this StableFuel a little bit different from their last miner, and also similar to some of the more sustainable miners, is that there's a 24 hours earning accumulation cutoff. So if you was to leave it alone for 24 hours to accumulate rewards, it will cut off after 24 hours. Okay? And also so that way the 6-to-1 rule cannot be abused. Okay? Now, there's 11 mandatory compound feature. We've seen this work in some other miners of its type, and I think that's a good implementation to this one. So it just motivates people to compound more. Now, you don't have to follow that 11 compound feature, but if you were to like withdraw before that 11 compounds, you will be hit with a 60% tax, and you don't want that. So just follow the ecosystem. I got real high hopes to this. There's different tiers. You can have a compound bonus up to 12%. So every time you compound, the percentage will grow and grow and grow, grow in your bag in the process. Okay. So the earning automation is a minimum of $250 deposit required. What that is if you want to go on automatic mode by itself, you do have to deposit 250 BUSD and press enable automate, and then it will automate that for you, compounding every 12 hours. Okay, now that does seem pretty cool. And if you do want to know how to deposit on this, since it is using BUSD, it is asking you to approve the BUSD first. I'll just show you guys right here. I don't really have that much BUSD in this wallet, but you just put the amount that you want to approve right here first. Then you press approve BUSD like this. Okay, confirm that. Take a puff of your vape while you're waiting on that to confirm or to approve. All right, now once that's approved, you put that same amount in the deposits, and it'll show you how many StableFuel you'll get for that. So for the same 10 BUSD, I will receive right now at this current time 17.78 StableFuel. You press buy on that. Giving you guys a quick run through. As simple as that, people. When that goes through, I'll get that StableFuel, then you'll begin earning. Okay. So what I like about this also is that they actually differentiate your initial deposit, your lock, the total claim, and also your referral rewards. Similar to some of the crowds farmers and those things out there. But I like how they do this. To maximize your rewards, it shows you the compound within this amount of time. Because remember, there's an accumulation lockout. So when this timer goes down, your reward accumulation will actually stop right there. Okay? So it's imperative to compound or to claim when that goes off because nothing is happening. All right. So if I was to claim right now, I would get hit with a 60% tax. And I don't want that. So I want to make sure I compound up to, what does it say down here? 11 times the mandatory. And also something interesting I've seen with this this miner that I haven't really seen with a lot of other ones. They actually have a TVL graph. If you click that, it actually opens up a graph of the TVL. Have you guys seen this in any other project? Because this is my first time actually seeing this one. Let me get this off of the screen. My head might be in the way, but as you can see, it's been a steady growth since the launch, and this has been out for about a week now. Okay? I like this team. They're very dedicated. They're like innovative. Like they're willing to listen to you and do all those things. If you have like suggestions or you just want to learn more about it or just contract and everything, you can always go to the Telegram group. I'll put their link down below. And then, wait, I'm already a part of the group. Well, you just do it just like this. You press join channel. Okay. StableFuel. You go right to the site, back right there. But yeah, and then you just follow those directions and it'll bring you to the site itself. Okay. I mean to the Telegram group. But yeah. So that's StableFuel. I'm mad bullish on this. Every time you leave the page, you will have to reconnect. I mean, safety is important. And as you can see, I'm already earning rewards off of my $10. And it's pretty good to utilize the compound. And then also they have like special things that go on every now and then. So just keep up to date with what's going on Telegram group. If you want one-on-one with me, you can hit me up on my Telegram group, Bullpen Millionaires. The link will be down below. Sorry about my voice being kind of gone, people. Like I said, it's been a rough day. It's been a rough week. But no matter what happens, we got to be at it. Oh, my God. Don't get me started with that. But, yeah. My link will be down below, people. Hit that link down below. Get started with StableFuel. And let's fuel up those rocket ships and go to the moon. You already know the vibes. And again, people, y'all know I'm not a financial advisor. This isn't financial advice. But I'm bullish on this. And anything that ArtemisX puts out. Because I just love the space ecosystem. I am NASA after all. Okay? So yeah, I'm going to keep this one nice, sweet, and short. And remember, people, I'm not a financial advisor.
I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.